Crazy Fit here for day number 4. Today's exercise will be shoulder taps. Today it's going to be 45 seconds on, 15 seconds rest for 5 rounds. Let's go ahead and get set up and let's get this going. So let's turn over. Let's get into an extended plank position. Bring your hands right under your shoulders. Yeah, open your legs a little bit more because this is what's going to give you some stability. And hold right here. And we're going to get busy. 3, 2, 1. This is not an exercise that you have to rush through. You're pressing one arm into the floor as the other reach up to the opposite shoulder for a brief little tap. You can take it as fast as you want, but it's not necessary. We want to keep everything in line. No rocking. And relax, come down to your knees. Get ready for round number 2. I want you to keep your head and neck neutral so your nose ain't down at the floor. Ready? Here we go. Nose ain't down at the floor. Looking about 1 foot in front of you. If you begin to get fatigued throughout this exercise, simply place your knees down and continue going. Always keep your core tight. Remember how I told you can simply just blow the air out. And hold it. And relax. Round 2 completed. Moving right along. So we got 3 rounds left. 3rd round coming up in 2 seconds. And just remind you, open your legs a little bit wider than shoulders, pressing the palm into the floor. Keep your body in a straight line. You get fatigued, drop to your knees, or stay right here. Breathe in normally. You got less than 10 seconds. And relax. All right, we're almost there. 2 more rounds. 15 seconds go by quick. Oh yeah, here we go. And let's go. It doesn't matter which hand you start with. I started with my opposite hand because I realized where I stopped at the previous round. And I just like to make things even. Whew. Yeah, my core is fire. About 15 seconds left. And relax. All right, for this final round, I'm gonna try to pick up the pace and try to hold that because this is core conditioning as well. 3, 2, and 1. When you pick it up, if you pick it up, you still want to maintain a straight line from top down and not rock. "15 seconds. Five more seconds. And down. Come into a child's pose. Hold it there for a moment. Come up. All right. That is it for day 4. We got one more day for the week. You will have all 5 exercises that we are going to focus on through this challenge. And we're going to progress each one of these exercises in week 2. And then progress even more week 3. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow.